Jack does crazy things with wild animals to help protect and study them. Really crazy, and maybe dangerous. But Jack is a trained expert. Do not do what Jack does. Seriously, approaching and handling wild animals can be dangerous. Really, just don't do it.
I'm on a mission in Australia. Wow! To find big snakes in small places. It's a serious snake. Whoa! This is crazy scary. Really big.
Jack!
My name is Jack Randall. I've devoted my life to bringing awareness of incredible creatures.
How cool is this?
To the entire world.
We have released a sloth into the wild.
To me,
That is a beauty.
no animal is too creepy,
Whoa! Wow!
too slippery, or too dangerous.
Oh, he's going up me.
I'm searching for pythons with Australian python breeder Dr. Gavin Bedford.
What we've seen in the last few years is the python population has actually crashed.
Why is that?
The vegetation has a bad year because of low rains. There's no growth, no
Wait.
python.
Just heard some rustling in there. There's definitely something in there. Look at this.
Just watch these, they're very sharp.
Ah, there they are! God, I can hardly get this thing out.
What is it?
Woo! Look at that. That is an absolute monster of a blue-tongue lizard. Look at that blue tongue coming out. That is an iconic Australian creature. Wow. Look at those tiny little legs. They can't really go very fast.
Just push through like a bulldozer where they're going. That's why we heard it.
Normally, if they're really grumpy, they'll open their mouth out and show that blue tongue. These big lizards can live up to 20 years. They use their tongue for smelling, as well as scaring away predators. But if they're really scared, they could bite their tail off and run away. You would never see a tongue like that in any other animal. Well, it's a great find.
It is it's very
Fantastic.
Very
All right,
rare.
let's put him back. Off you go. Back to your home. Back to the task at hand, finding snakes. But pythons are really well camouflaged. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack in these rocks. You feel like you see something, but it's not. There we are! The thing is, we got a carpet python right in there. The thing is, this is a non-venomous snake. This is a constrictor snake. So it uses its thick coils to literally suffocate its prey. But he can sense that I'm here. He's started to call back. I'm going to have to see if I can just pull him out. I'm going to have to get my hand in there. I've got him. Come on, out you come. Woohoo! There you are, carpet python. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. Look, he's not even acting aggressive at all. Wow. Under there, oof. This is actually the first species of snake I caught in the wild. I picked it up, and it bit me straight away on the arm. And so my first reaction was that this snake would bite me, but actually behaving beautifully for me. The carpet python can grow up to 11 feet long. They can sense the body heat of their prey when they're hunting. And they eat lots of rats. And because their numbers in the wild are declining, every one I can get my hands on is a gem. Oh man, that is special. Look at way wrapping up that tree. Amazing. See ya. And there are other carpet pythons with different patterns. This snake here is a jungle carpet python. Carpet pythons are really, really cool. In fact, they're doing amazing things for the ecosystem. And if you find one around your house, they're actually managing the rodent population there. They love eating rodents. So if you see a snake like this, just think that it's doing you a favor. It's getting rid of all the rats that might be around in the shed. Watch me interact with more amazing animals.